Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. A silk beige MB text interior with a light wood trim, sunroof, rear heated seats, rear climate controls, trailer hitch, GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, bar keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has 13,261 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to visit us at our website for more photos, check us out at feldmanimports.com.